All right, guys. So now I'm going to just give you a quick walkthrough of the ABBADO trading platform, how it looks like and everything. Okay, remember, ABBADO is one of the best trading platform. I always recommend this to all of my followers because it allows you to save a lot of money on trading fees. They offer zero commission and very low spread. Okay, so this is one of the best trading platform to use to trade Forex, cryptocurrency, and even stocks. So guys, let me show you exactly how this platform works. Okay, we're just going to do a quick walkthrough. Number one, you can see right now we are on the account section. So in this section here, you can basically see your wallet. Okay, you can see your live account. You're also able to open a demo account over here. This is also where you can deposit money and also withdraw. Okay, so you can see over here, there's deposit and withdraw. Okay, so this account here is the live account. Okay, if you wanted to open a demo account, you'll just click here, demo. Okay, so you just click on demo, and then this here is going to change to demo. You can change it to whatever name you want. And then on the account type section, just make sure you select demo. Okay. After that, you just need to click on create, and then your demo account is going to be created. So that's how you create a demo account. Now, the next thing here on the left side, you see you also have your personal info tab. Okay, this is the page where you see your personal information. We also have investment tab here. There's also partnership, and then we have prop trading, which is something that's coming very soon. Okay, so I'll keep you guys updated when that actually comes out. All right, so now let's go back to the account section. Okay, so now if you want to access the trading platform, all right, you'll do that by clicking here. Okay, whether it's on your demo account or your live account, just select whichever it is. Now click on access platform. All right, now remember, before you can actually place any trade, you actually need to have money in your account. As of right now, you can see my balance is saying 0, 0. Even on the demo account, it's saying 0. So before I can even place a trade, I need to add money there, right? To add money on the live account, make sure you watch my video on how to deposit on ABBADO. Okay, I have a video. Make sure you check it out. The link will be in the description box below. I show you guys exactly how to deposit money on your ABBADO trading platform step by step. And then I also have a video on how to deposit money on your demo account. So the link to all of this is in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. All right. Now let's just assume you have money in your account and all that. Now you want to click on access platform. Okay. When you click on access platform, you're going to be brought to the trading interface. So basically, this is where you can basically place your trade. You can sell, you can buy, and all that. This is what it looks like. You can also look at the chart over here. Okay, so if you want to sell, all you got to do is click on sell. You can adjust your lot size over here. Okay, the plus sign is to increase it, and then the negative sign is to decrease it. Over here is where you can change the currency pair you want to trade. Okay, currently it's showing Euro USD, but I can change it to whatever. Okay, you can just search for one. Okay, let's say for example gold. I'll just search for it right there, and then it will be switched. Okay, it will switch to gold, and then I can just basically place a sell on gold, or I can place a buy. The moment I click sell, the trade will automatically be open. Now, because the market is closed, I can't really place any trade, right? I'm going to search for, let me search for Bitcoin because the Bitcoin market is always open. So I search for Bitcoin right now, BTC USD, and now I'm going to just click on sell so you guys can see what I mean. Okay, so you can see right now it's actually saying not enough money. This is because I don't have any money in my account, so I am not allowed to place any trade. But the point I was trying to show you guys is once you click sell, your trade would automatically go live under here. Now to see that page where I just showed you, you need to click this little arrow here, okay, where my mouse is pointing. So you just click on that, and then you can see your trade live here. You can see your stop loss, your take profit, your entry price, and everything. And then on the right side here, far right, you'll see the profit you're making, profit or loss. You'll see it right there. You can go to order history over here to see all your trading history. And there's so many cool things on this trading platform. Honestly, it's the best. And then on the right here, you can also see all the trading forex pairs here. You can see the crypto and stocks. Okay, so if you didn't want to like open a trade by searching for the forex pair here, you can also just look for it over here. Okay, which is great. So this one here, when you click on the Forex spread from here, okay, on the left side here, it will actually open up this box here where you can actually preset your order. Okay, you can like set a pending order, like a buy stop or buy limit, sell stop, and sell limit, which is really great. And you can see here the chart. This is what the chart it looks like. You can actually switch to different time periods over here. You can also add indicators on your charts. To add an indicator, you just need to click on the top here where it says indicators. Now, if there is an indicator that you like to add, but it's not on this list, you can go to the indicator store and search for it right over here. There's an indicator that I always recommend that you guys use because it's super effective. It's called a super trend indicator. So you can just search for it here on the search bar by typing super. And then this is it here, super trend. You just want to click on it and then click on install. Okay, for me, I've already installed it. And that's it for now, guys. Okay, so you can add your indicator and then start trading right away. Subscribe for more tutorials and education on Forex and crypto trading.